Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to change whether document open in tab or separate window on Mac. So when you open multiple documents in app that support tabs, your Mac can either place those documents inside one window as a separate tab or open each document in same window. Tabs are useful when you want to keep your document organized and switch between documents from one place. Separate windows are better when you want to view documents independently or place them next to each other, like if you want to compare two documents at the same time. macOS also give you a third option that use tab only when the app is in full screen mode. Keep in mind that this preference only affect app that support tab document windows. Some app may also have their own tab settings. So if you would like to change this behavior, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, click on Desktop and Dock and now scroll until you reach Windows section. And here click on the drop down menu next to Preferred tab when opening document, and here you will see three different options. Select Always if you want supported app to open document as tabs. Select Never if you prefer separate windows. You can also select in full screen if you only want document to open in tab while the app is being used in full screen mode. So the selected preference is applied immediately as you don't see any save button here, and from now on supported app will now use this behavior when you open documents. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.